Hello, heading to the southwest Pacific over the next several days. Quiet for the moment. We've got just our typical showers that do bubble up, but the tropics are very active to the north and west of Australia. You might just notice the cloud here, rather lumpy. Of course, we've got a tropical troublemaker, Cyclone Rusty. That area of more enhanced, more active weather will be slowly drifting its way across. But in the meantime, we just look at some lumps of cloud. Wanderley area sitting across the Coral Sea, feeding with some moisture on the top side of our clearer slot, the area of high pressure. That feeding in some showers to the Queensland coast, and then follow the line of cloud running from about Vanuatu all the way back to just north of Fiji and then down to the southern Cooks. Wanderley area of low pressure just developing about here. Nothing mean, nothing nasty, just a low of sorts, but with it as well there'll be a fairly good east to southeast flow. Notice the curl in the cloud there, and there's the centre of that low forming, and that'll, where you can see the area of cloud, just a slightly better chance for those late day showers and storms. So literally from about the southern Cooks back through Tonga, or probably just to the northeast, to the north of say Fiji, sitting about here, and then back towards Vanuatu, seeing some of those hit and miss showers. On either side, towards New Caledonia, and also to say Samoa, more hit and miss some of those showers as we go through the next day or so. So there's the low, there's Fiji. Follow the area blue, that's where the wet weather is, and the main low just slowly develops and eases away. And look at the stronger winds, particularly as you've got the squeeze here, the squash zone of sorts. So bear that in mind, boaters may be heading to parts of New Zealand. Some stronger seas there, higher seas for a time. For Fiji, you'll still see the area of more persistent rain sitting there with our trough line just running down, and that'll extend across, say, Tonga. Whereas to the northeast, for places like Samoa, it shouldn't be too bad. Go to the south and the west, you're into that southeast flow. For New Caledonia, you're looking okay. And temperature-wise, pretty similar, as we've seen over the last several days. Get some cloud, middle 20s, get some brighter skies, you could be up to around 30. So Nandi not doing too bad. You'll see some of the heavier downpours at times, particularly the case for Niue and Tongatapu. But on the other side of this trough, say towards Rarotonga and Apia, you should at least have some drier spells. Finishing numbers here are generally in the upper 20s to around 30. As we go beyond, let's keep our eyes to the west, because remember the active area of the tropics just starting to bubble here. That'll be easing its way towards the Coral Sea as we go through the next few days. That first low, he'll just glance maybe the eastern parts of New Zealand, maybe some moisture there. There's our little trough line, the area blue, just wiggling about like a bit of a blue sausage of sorts. Still maybe seeing the risk for some more numerous showers and storms for places like Fiji, back towards Vanuatu. But as we go into the course of the late parts of the week into the weekend, just keep an eye on things towards the Coral Sea in case something tropical maybe does develop. But in the meantime, that's how it looks for now.